Hi there, my name is Bodhi and I'm the founder of ForestMe. I'm just going to speak to you a bit about WeAreNoCode today and the journey that we've been on with them. So we joined about 4 months ago, and before that we kind of had a vague idea about what we were doing. There were big dreams. We didn't know what we didn't know, if I can say that. We didn't know if our product was valid, if anybody would want it. We didn't know the exact direction, didn't know the exact thing we were selling. So we were a bit lost. And that's why we joined. We knew we wanted to be part of a community of founders and be able to speak about it, be able to get knowledge from somebody who knows more than us. And that would be Christian. He definitely does. And every week we've been meeting up. The vibe is so nice, so welcoming. Yeah, it's beginner friendly. You can ask whatever you want. You practice your pitches. You get feedback on what you've done for the week, inspired by other people. We've now got our app launched. We're doing more customer discovery, more validating of ideas, more real world stuff, not just remaining in dreamland. The course you're provided with goes over everything from making an app to customer discovery to funding. Yeah, such a resource, can just go there for anything. You can ask any questions you have. There's a Slack always available to get some information, get feedback, whatever you need. And the perks and discounts are unbelievable. I can't believe what we've gotten out of that. That alone has paid for our membership to WeAreNoCode. So as far as I'm concerned, there's no real reason not to join. Yeah, so that's it. If you do join, welcome, and I hope you do. Be well.